Most people think becoming poor happens because of one big mistake. A bad investment. A failed business. A huge debt. But for most people, it's much quieter than that. It's a habit so small, so normal, so invisible, that it feels harmless. Just $100 here, another $100 there. A weekend shopping trip. A fancy dinner because you deserve it. A new phone upgrade when the old one works fine. Subscriptions you barely use. Impulse purchases that feel exciting for 2 days and meaningless after that. Jake and Ryan. Both are 25. Both make the same salary. Both dream of becoming financially free one day. Jake spends an extra $100 every week on little things that make life feel better in the moment. Coffee runs, online deals, weekend entertainment, random, small rewards. He invests that same $100. That's it, not thousands, not some secret millionaire strategy. Just $100. At first, Jake looks smarter. He enjoys life more. He has nicer things. He feels richer. Ryan feels like he's sacrificing. Months pass, then years, and something strange begins to happen. The money Ryan invested starts working harder than Ryan does. That's the game most people never understand. Poor people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. Here's how psychology traps people. The human brain loves instant rewards. Buying something today feels real. Investing feels invisible. Spending gives dopamine now. Investing gives freedom later. And the brain is terrible at valuing later. That's why people choose short-term pleasure over long-term wealth, again and again, for years. Now let's do simple math. $100 a week is about $400 a month. Invested consistently in a basic index fund, growing around 10% yearly on average. In 10 years, that becomes roughly $80,000 plus. In 20 years, around $300,000 plus. In 30 years, close to $900,000 or more. That's not magic. That's time. That's compound growth. That's what rich people quietly understand. Money is like planting seeds. Spend it, and it disappears. Invest it, and it grows into a tree that keeps producing fruit. Then more trees. Then a forest. Meanwhile, most people keep eating the seeds. And later wonder why nothing grows. This doesn't mean never enjoy life. It means understand the price of every habit. That random $100 isn't just $100. It could be thousands in future wealth. Every small decision is a vote for your financial future. You're either building freedom or building dependence. You're either buying assets or buying temporary feelings. The truth is, most people aren't poor because they don't earn enough. They stayed poor because small habits quietly steal their future. But every week, every month, every year, and by the time they realize it, time is gone. So the next time you're about to spend that extra $100, ask yourself one question. Do I want this today, or do I want freedom tomorrow? That single question can change your life. Because wealth is rarely built by big dramatic moves. It's built by small choices, repeated consistently, over time. And sometimes, the difference between staying broke and becoming wealthy is just $100.